Pulled it right out of his mouth, man. Yeah, well, what got me... Did you see that? That's a good one. That's what we're looking for, ladies and gentlemen. This is Marcus. He's got a dental appointment on Thursday. Sweet! Oh, did you get your foot stuck in the mud? I think you're gonna be okay. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Oh, that's a healthy one. Come on, Nick. That's a healthy one, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, yeah. That's another good one.
Raised out here on these laydowns.
There's something down there. Come here.
You're getting into those logs in the stumps.
Those stumps?
Yep.
Come on now. Well, alright, there you go. Like this video if you like topwater bites, guys. Like it and like it. Oh, he's still on. I can't tell if he's big, but he went totally airborne. I'm talking about. He's not that big. I really hope these birds are not coming to attack me right now. And some of these big water birds are mean, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, then like it, man. Hit that big old thumbs up. It's my wife calling. Let me go ahead and get that. If you've watched this entire video and you hated the whole thing, I'm confused about why you watched it. See ya!